Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Here is AJ. AJ, say hello. Say hello. That's AJ. Hey, what's going on? Oh, that's good.
Can anybody do this?
Go, show me. Wow.
Or can anybody do this?
Woohoo. Okay, by the way,
So I don't need to sleep now, okay?
I just showing you our backyard. Here we go. Well, by the way, it is not a wedding party. It's gonna be
Not a
a baby shower for our niece. By the way, it's my yeah, shower, and she will be expecting her delivery by next month, I guess, or 2 weeks from now. So we just prepared this, and we're expecting a baby girl for our granddaughter. It's yeah, the granddaughter of my ate. Ate Mel, she is our eldest. Now we prepared this one. It's not like so instead of going or finding a place where we can rent for this occasion, so we decided to decorate our backyard, and just to save the money. Exactly. So at least the kids will be coming here soon and playing around. I'll be fixing something here like bouncy castle later on, but this time now it's just like a program for baby shower. So this is it. So I'm just taking a video so that this is gonna be uploaded to AJ's YouTube channel. So at the moment we're just preparing this. I don't know what's menu, but we have something here, 9 menu, and we have some coming. So this is it. So this is basically our backyard. It's a summer, still summer this time here in Canada. And by maybe by September, end of September or beginning of October, so winter is coming. So we're just having opportunity to have this kind of vacation for our grandchildren. Actually, our granddaughter. See, sweet baby. And we planted some sitaw when we went last month. So we brought the seeds, and unfortunately we're supposed to have some seeds here. I mean vegetable ready to harvest, but still we are late. But hopefully we still have one more month, one and a half month. Yeah. So these are the sitaws. Sitaw. No, there are some flowers on it. So, and this is the Canadian pichay, or kale. So this is good for sinigang and nilaga. That one. And this is another sitaw. So what I did is I removed that one, and then I converted it to balag. So this is our cherry here. We have some cherries. Cherries. And that's our apple. And we do have here honey berries. Those are honey berries. We already harvested some. But this is good. We Those are honeyberries. There are some. And apple. But during winter, you can find it just like totally nothing. As a skeleton. So this is a plum. We have only 2. But we are expecting some. But this time, this year, we're supposed to have 3. See here? 3 fruits.
Papa,
But it's only for just...
visitors here.
Where are they? Oh! How are you?
Good.
I thought... And these are another apple.
Oh, wait.
It's good.
This sound like this.
What? What?
Come. I have to
Wait,
show
wait,
you
wait.
inside because there's...
Wait muna.
Come.
Okay, this one, good.
Yeah.
Wait muna, anak, wait.
Come. This is how you do it.
So I always use... I will... this one here.
Elmo is here.
Where? Where is Elmo?
Here.
Oh!
Elmo is here.
Where is Elmo? What's out your head, Elmo? What's out your head?
What's on your head, Elmo?
So I intentionally and I prepared to do the vlog for AJ on English language because
No?
uh,
I just learned how to do Elmo language.
oh really?
Elmo
No, the reason why because you know the video is basically you know we keep it for future reference.
Squidward
Yeah.
is here. Barnacles.
So this is it. That's why AJ he doesn't speak Filipino language this time. So
What do you mean?
do you speak Filipino language?
A little bit.
Can you tell something?
I know.
Uh-huh.
I know. Always I say this.
What? What is
Always I say this. Tamad.
what is tamad? Oh, that's not good. What is ano means?
Huh? Ano means what?
Oh, that's it. So at the same time, you know, because our
Speak different language.
because most of
I speak Squidward.
yeah,
Wait. Barnacles.
what's that one for?
Squidward.
Oh, Squidward.
And then Patrick.
So okay, what?
an instrument?
Oh.
No, it's not the instrument. And why?
Yeah,
does
we're
Purple sing?
not teaching AJ yet for the Philippine language because
Mama teach me and you teach me how to say no, and I just forgot. I just learned by myself. Wait.
the reason why because AJ is still young and we know Filipino language is not very difficult for us Filipinos like us. You know, even we are adult, when we go to Saudi Arabia or Middle East, we speak Arabic. When we go to Italy, we speak Italian. When we go to Russia, we speak Russians.
China.
So because AJ is still young
Speak China.
and he is like little bit bulol, we call it bulol. So I told to my wife, okay, because 99% of English communication is English, so it's better for AJ to speak first in English.
This is a trick.
Because normally the kids born here in Canada,
This is
the
a
kids,
trick you never seen before.
they cannot even, well, for me, I don't, yeah, for me, I don't see any problem on AJ to learn Filipino language because, you know, we are 24/7, we are living each other and we speak Tagalog, so there's no problem for him. He understands sometimes, but this time now we were concentrating for him to speak English. Okay, can you sing Kansigla? So, so this is it.
Right?
Yeah. So this is basically the arrangement, and this look like a
It's over here. Elmo,
what?
you don't sound like Cookie Monster. You sound
Okay.
like the
Let me show. Let me have a video for our plants. So that's the thing, and I will show you The one that we planted 45 days ago, I guess. So this is the talong, kamatis. The talong is not yet done, but I don't think, maybe by before the start of winter we will take this inside. This is the sili, labuyo, I think. This talong, and that's tomato. Well, see here, there are some tomatoes already, and these are the kale, and that's this one here is sitaw. So we'll see, hopefully. And these are the chickpeas.
Hello,
Now
Mr. Government.
this one is Oppo.
Hello,
That's Oppo.
Mr. Government.
Oppo.
Hello, Mr. Government.
What? Who are you?
Is the government?
Oh. Okay, we'll see the other one here.
Oh,
The reason why we have this kind of vegetable, because here is too expensive. You know, vegetable is expensive. We know vegetable adds life, and beef kills. You know, okay. This one is sitaw also. Now it's strawberry, and these are ampalaya. And this sitaw, and that is kalabasa. And I made this one. It's made of pallets. So I just picked some pallet outside from Canadian Tire and Superstore, and then I made this as like a balag here. See here. And then I made some plants, but these are radish, red radish. That's red radish. Okay. Yan, gumanda na ang panahon.
Kaya nga.
Kanina umulan eh, na kaunti. Ayan na.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na siya.
Kaya na.
Ulan.
Wala na, okay na.
Wala namang focus na ulan.
Okay, this is it now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Hey Jay, say bye and thank you. Hey,
I'm ordering it.
okay. Can you say bye and thank you?
Okay, oh, the sour patch.
Hey, Jay.
Bye, guys.
Here.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye for watching. Thank you for now. Bye.
Bye.